Hey guys, so I'm starting off with her brows, and we're going to make sure that they're clean, crisp, but not overdrawn. Next, I'm going to apply a light layer of foundation, and then I'm going to start concealing any darkness under her eyes, on her forehead.
Really, you can do most of the same stuff. Like if you've been working out, you can continue working out. If you haven't been working out, you can introduce it, but it's not the time to experiment with like different weights, different crazy exercises. You just keep it simple. And you still follow like the same guidelines. Like if you're a beginner, do this, lightweight, this many reps, intermediate, advanced, and so on. Your bones can get weak, so you kind of need to strength train to keep your bones nice and strong. People don't know that either. Do you drink milk? Hell no!
After using a more skin tone concealer, I'm going to use something a little lighter to apply under her eyes and under her eyebrows to brighten it up, and just bring brightness to her face. Shani has an oval face shape, which is considered the most ideal face shape. So the goal here is just to add dimension and add structure. So I'm not going to overly contour her face.
I look cute.
For eyeshadow, I decided to keep it simple, but add a little spice by using mainly red eyeshadows, and then using shimmer on her lid to just spice it up a bit and bring attention to her eyes. So I'm adding a brown lip, just to switch it up a little bit and not do nude. And then I'm adding your typical eyeliner, lashes, and a little bit of mascara. And we can't forget a little highlight to add that glow. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you in my next video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the little pregnancy tips that I had in this video.
This is so cute.